Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for Tuesday, 9/11, our Tiger Minute for today. Just keep everybody up to speed. We're having a wonderful homecoming week. Yesterday was Cartoon Character Day and Compliment Each Other Day. Today is High Five Tuesday and High Five and Hippie Day. And we started off this morning by going through our scanning process before we scan every student coming to the building. And this morning was enjoyable and delightful in the sense that we got to not only scan every student that walked in and get a meeting like that, but we gave every student a high five as they walked in the building. It's just a kind of a neat way to start the day. I really enjoyed that. Got everybody start off their day with a nice smile on their face. So tomorrow will be Wednesday, and that'll be act as random acts of kindness, and also Animal Print Day. Thursday will be Motivate Each Other, America Day, and Friday will be Pride Day. We ask everybody to wear maroon and white, and also to just pump each other up. So we do have some things going on this week. I'd like to wish our Fighting Tiger boys and girls golf teams good luck this afternoon. They will host Hancock County here at the community center. Also, our cross country team, good luck to them as they travel to Hancock County today. Our volleyball team is here at Tiger Arena. They will play Evanston County High School. Game times are 5, 6, and 7. We've got some students today out visiting schools in Owensboro. They're visiting Brescia and Kentucky Wesleyan and OCTC on a senior visit day. Tomorrow will be the first 9 weeks midterm. We'll be sending out progress reports on Friday. Mr. Bennett, Mr. Harnett, and me are meeting with students today and the rest of the week that are failing classes and talk to them about a game plan for the rest of the 9 weeks. Just want all of our students off on a good start here. The first 9 weeks, passing grades. It's just something we've noticed over the years. If you are failing a class here at the very beginning of the year, it just makes it really difficult for the rest of the year on that class. We're asking for them to work on their grades, make sure they're passing. Tomorrow will also be Murray State College Visit Day. Seniors will be leaving for that as well. Tomorrow will also be a drama club meeting from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. On Thursday, we will have another college visit. Students will be going to Campbellsville on Thursday. Volleyball will be at Owensboro on Thursday night. Also on Thursday, our soccer team will be at Grayson County, and our golf team will be at Grayson County on Thursday. On Friday, our football team will be hosting Ohio County, and homecoming night. Homecoming festivities will start at 6:30. All of our court members need to be at the middle school front bus ramp at 6 o'clock. Football game will start at 7. After the football game, we will be celebrating, hopefully a win, a dance here in the Commons. It's going to be a rave, and we've ordered many special effects to make that night very memorable for our students. But it's going to be an outstanding evening on Friday. We encourage all of our students to participate and be involved in that. This weekend, our cross-country team will be traveling to E-Town in the Fairgrounds Frenzy, and our soccer team will be at Fort Knox on Saturday. And that concludes the Tiger Minute for 9/11. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.